Hi, in this video I will be explaining you how I worked on my first Hello program in assembly language through Visual Studio. So what I did was basically I created a new project and gave it a name, 221 project OOH3.asm. After that I had to I had to delete some of the files over here, the 3 files, and then I had to do something with the project settings. I had to change the file extension to irvine.32.lib, something like that. And then after that, after completing all the setup, I began by typing this tile Hello Abdullah program version 2. In the bracket I put the name, the file name, and then I put a comment saying that this program shows Hello Abdullah. It's a simple string program, and then it includes all of Kip Irvine's declaration, definition, and libraries. So this is the line that I put: include Irvine include Irvine32.inc to have this code functioning. And then after that I type .data, which basically is the start of a code segment which declares variables. And then after that, in line 8 I typed message byte Hello Abdullah as a string, and I ended that with a comma followed by a 0. This string must end with a comma and 0 to work properly. Without it will not work. And after that I typed .code, which is basically the start of a code segment 2. And after that I typed the main proc PRC, which is the main procedure that starts the execution. Then after that I typed this function, I believe, move edx offset message, which basically copies address of message to edx register. After that I typed call write-string is also a method to display the registers, to display the output basically. And this one calls Irvine's write-string to the output, I believe. Not sure what that means, but I believe that's the output. Then exit to call Irvine's exit. And I type main endp to end the main procedure. And after that I finally typed end main to end the program at the end. So now that I have built up the code, I'm gonna show you the output. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna click on debug. I'm gonna go to debug, start without debugging, and it should show my name, Hello Abdullah. Okay, so let's see. I believe it's right here. Let me see. There we go. So this is the output, Hello Abdullah. That means the code has worked successfully. Let me rerun this just to see if it can pop up right away. So let's cross it out. Let's debug it again. Start without debugging. There you go. My name finally appeared. This is the file where I saved this project. It's basically kept in the project file named as project 0 because this is the first or 0 project. So that concludes my video. Thank you.